Hey everyone, welcome back. We got another hard reset. Today we're doing the Celero, a couple different names for this one. Celero 5G Plus 2024 or the Celero3 5G Plus, whichever one you want to call it. This is a really cool phone from Boost, coming in that budget mid-range level. It's got some really good specs for what it is, so kind of impressed by this one. But if you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password, you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset on it, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on there, it's going to get deleted, so just keep that in mind. And also, if you guys haven't yet, subscribe. We have a ton more teardowns, a ton more hard resets coming up. If you want to see something special, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up for you sooner than later. Otherwise, let's dive right into this. So we want to make sure the phone's off. In this case, it is. And you have your power button, volume button, and volume up, volume down, power. It's been a long day. So what we want to do is we want to hold volume up and power at the same time. So I'll start by holding volume up, then I'll hit power. When the phone turns on, you can let go of power, but it almost instantly brings you to the recovery mode. And so your volume up is to select and volume down is okay. So we'll use volume up to scroll to recovery. And I'll push volume down on recovery. This might take a second to load, but it gets you to the no command screen. And from here, what you want to do is you want to hit power and volume up at the same time. Honestly, what you want to do is hold power and then tap volume up real quick. Just let go relatively fast. That way it doesn't accidentally restart the phone, because it's going to be on the first option is to reboot system. Then you want to use the volume buttons to scroll, and your power button is to select. And we are going to scroll down to wipe data factory reset, which is right there. Hit the power button, confirm. Power button again. Now it's deleting. Now it's done. And now we can either reboot or power off. And in this case, we just power it off. There's no need to reboot it. And that is how you do a hard reset on a Celero 3 Plus 5G or Celero 5G Plus 2024, whichever way you want to call it. But now it's all deleted. It'll be on the welcome screen, and then you can navigate to the home screen. So if you guys find this helpful, please like, share, comment, all that wonderful stuff. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.